This sneaker is a perfect example of how we drive the industrialization of additive manufacturing. We are able to design lattices for specific applications, and optimized our shoe sole for shock absorption and comfort. These shoes are made of our newly introduced UltraSynth TPU. 3D scan comparison ensures high part quality. Finished the soles with our unique flexible spray coating. In our cooperation with Group Zebra, we combined the advantages of traditional manufacturing methods with additive manufacturing technologies. In record time, our teams went from concept to prototype to a finished product. This perfectly showcases the infinite possibilities offered by Forward AM solutions and services.